Hi guys, so today I'm working on a Jeep Patriot. It's a 2.4 liter. There was a no start condition, so the problem was the totally I don't know how to call it. Just give me a second. Totally integrated power module. That's all they call the fuse box. It controls everything. So I disconnect the connector right here, the C10, the yellow and gray, that goes right to the starter motor. So when I jump this one and I put positive on that side, the engine started turn. So I knew that the problem was coming from that area. So this is the only module that there's before, and I also have no communication with the PCM, and the PCM is also controlled by this, so it can make some miscommunication. I also have the 12 volt on the starter. My signal was good. So the only problem is the TIPM. I also had some other problem, like I show in another video, with some relay. That one leg broke inside the inner fender. As you're gonna see, there's two places where the relay goes for the fan that is broken, so that will need to fix it. Also link kit, the windshield, a lot of things to do on this car, but the main problem was the car was not starting. So just check for that. Unplug your, there's a big connector, and the C10 is right under the big one, and you have the yellow and gray wire right. I don't know if you can see it. I'm trying. Yeah, yellow and gray. So this is the one. I just connect on that pin and connect on the other side to the yellow and gray to the starter, the signal. There was no resistance, so the wire is good. When I jump started, it was starting fine, but no, not starting fine because the PCM have no power, but it was turning, the engine was turning. So we're gonna change the TIPM, totally integrated power module, and that will be the fix for it. I hope to help you guys. Like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Goodbye.